So today I'll be doing a vlog about exploration, and my friends just just told me that this place is nice to explore, so you can hear the sound of water. So guys, let's check out what I have in store for you guys. So you can see there's a bridge along here, and you can see water down there. You can see how the bridge is. You can see the water. You can see, look at the water. So today guys, I'll be showing you about waterfalls. Guys, like and subscribe the channel if you like it. You can see the water. So guys, let's go check out about the waterfalls. So let's go check it out. I can hear how it's so loud. Like, I wonder if there are people living around here. Like, do they sleep at night? Like, the sound is so much high, and like I can hear it even at a far distance. I wonder. So you can see the waterfalls. It's so much huge, so much high. Guys, I'm particularly afraid of going down there, but because I got you for my company, let's go check it out. So let's go down here. So we need to be careful because the waterfall is so much high. So let's go down and see. You can see. So I've come to this place to reveal to you guys. So like the channel and subscribe. You can see I'm so much afraid of great heights, guys. You can see. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe and like the channel, and let's go, cause I'm afraid, guys. I'm so much afraid of heights. You can see I brought you to see our waterfalls, but due to my fear of great heights and water, I'm not able to show you much of a longer video. But guys, if you have enjoyed the channel, subscribe. Guys, let's go and see what I have in store for you guys. Like guys, see just see the streams of water going down there. Like, the volume of water is so much huge, and I'm afraid of it. So let's go back to where I came from, and if you have enjoyed my video,